Hi guys, my name's George, and on behalf of Segway 9bot, I'd like to thank you for purchasing the new 9bot kick scooter. The 9bot kick scooter F series includes 3 products, the F25, the F30 and the F40. Today we're going to be using the F40 to do the unboxing video. The F40 is feature rich yet cost effective and offers everything you need in one product: an extended 25-mile range, a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour, 10-inch pneumatic tyres, foldable design and a Bluetooth security lock to keep your kick scooter safe. In the box, along with the kick scooter, you will find a thank you card and a user manual, a 3mm wrench, an M5 screw and a valve stem extension for pumping the tyres, a battery charger and a spare tyre. To assemble the kick scooter, first we have to connect the wires inside the handlebars and the stem. Then we need to slide the handlebars into the stem with the headlight facing forward. Unfold the stem up vertically and close the quick release lever. Then turn the safety hook clockwise. Install the 4 screws in order, 2 on each side with the included hex wrench. When you finish riding, turn the safety hook counterclockwise and open the quick release lever. Align and fasten the snap hook to the buckle and lift the stem to carry your scooter.